currently where we are, current the situation is. Then I will take on to the digital marketing. So long time ago, a remote village, very close to the forest, the village has been facing the drought situation quite a long time. No rains, no water, extreme hot temperatures. It was a difficult situation for the people who are there in the village to survive. A person whose name is Ram is a farmer. He has some cattle, 2 cows are there. His basic living is farming and selling milk from cattle. So his survival has come into the question. So one day, with a lot of disturbance, he was trying to meet his one of the master, a old age person in the same village. He's living in the same village. He approached him. This old person is like a saint person. Some people call him also as a mad person. So he approached him and took his blessing and asked him and told the situation currently what's going on and what I'm supposed to do. This old man suggested after a while, you go and create one shelter for your cattle. First, you find out the lotus leaf and the coconut leaves. With these 2 leaves, you create a shelter in the specific location that he mentioned. So this person is not doesn't know like the Ram what to do and why he's doing what he's doing. So he went back and built the shelter with the lotus leaf and coconut leaf, and as he mentioned the specific location. So again he went back and told the situation that he has done to finish the task. This time the old man said, you go to the forest and get all the dry sticks. And get the dry sticks and keep it in the home, he said. Again, this Ram is not clear what he's doing. Again, he just finished the task. After a few days over, fortunately, some rain came and people are happy. But as the days are progressing, in that entire village, only Ram is able to do some living activity, like he was doing the farming and he was able to sell the milk. Only Ram. Entire village was actually struggling. So nobody was able to understand what was happening. They thought that this old person, people call him as a mad person, has some magical powers, that he gave it to the Ram. Then they all approached the old person, and finally they came to know that it's not about the magical power what he has given to the Ram. It's about the planning and preparing and getting ready for the situation. What this old person has suggested is, first, the one most important thing is, he asked Ram to protect his assets. I request everyone to remember this word, asset. The asset for the Ram is cattle. So actually cattle was suffering, the cows were suffering with the extreme temperatures and there is no protection. So he asked him to protect that with the shelter, and he specifically mentioned 2 leaves. The one is the lotus leaf and coconut leaves. And why he mentioned that leaves is because these leaves are very wide in nature. When the rain falls on that leaves, we can able to collect that water. And also he suggested to build that shelter in specific location to ensure that this water is stored in some place. So when the rain happened, only Ram was able to collect that water and store that water, and he was protecting his asset cattle. At the same time, he also suggested to get the sticks. Why? Because if you are not using this farming instruments to regularly, it will get rusted. So he used, even though the sticks are not useful at that point of time, he made him to use the utensils so that it not gets rusted, so that it can be used later for the farming. At the same time, these sticks were used as a fuel later. Ram was able to do the farming, little bit of farming, and he was able to secure that cattle so that he was able to generate the milk and sell the milk. So that was the key critical asset, actually, what his wisdom has got for this old man has given to him. People thought it is a magical power, but it is a pure planning. So my dear friends, what I'm going to tell you today is, in this 15 minutes, I cannot educate entire digital marketing, but what you can do is, you can identify what is your assets, definitely for your business. We need to protect that asset. What is your strength? What is your asset for as per your business? You need to protect that. And the second option is, you need to create the asset for the future, how he built them, as Ram has done. What is that asset that you can build once the market opens up? Because currently the current situation is exactly similar to the drought situation what Ram is facing. What are the assets that you can build? All you need to do is create that assets through digitally. If you are able to create that assets to digitally, as per your business is concerned, and if you are able to market those assets digitally, and if you are able to make sure that these assets are reaching to your customers and they are using digitally, and if you are able to generate some revenue through digitally, then it's nothing but what I call as digital marketing. This is what exactly you need to do at this point of time. So if you ask me in this, why digital marketing, what is this entire digital marketing, in a 5 minutes, 5 words, I can tell you these are the 5 words. This is what I'm going to talk to every one of my client, whether irrespective of the business, whether it's small, big or large. I'm going to talk to all the clients. These are the 5 terms entire digital marketing captured. So given a chance, you need to identify what stage you are. Exactly, these are the different stages: identity, visibility, promotion, nurture, retention. If you are able to identify your business, where exactly it is, what is identity? What is identity? If you ask that question, so you have many property owners are here. Okay, do you have identity for your own property? When compared to all the markets, when compared to your competitors, what is your unique value proposition? How people can identify you? How people can take your identity in a different message? This is what value you are giving differently. You should distinguish, actually. That is your identity. This is what we call the branding in terms of the marketing language. What we're going to create the language, branding, the logo, the message, values, all these comes under identity. Most of the time, all the startups and big companies, every time they revamp this identity because they want to grab the customer attention. So this is a very important phase for anything in the digital marketing. Then after that, the visibility. Visibility is something when the market opens up. When the market opens up, fortunately, hopefully, we are getting good news in the June. And if people are trying to search something online, out of 50 customers, 50 competitors, are you visible? Are you visible or not? What is it something you are doing so that your customer can see you very clearly? What are the platforms that you are existing? Do you have a website? Do you have a social media? Are you in the Facebook? Are you in the YouTube? Are you in the Google search engine? So there are plenty of platforms. Customer can come from any corner, but are you visible? Are you giving an opportunity so that the customer can see you? This is the second phase of your project, or you can say call it as your entire business line. First identity, next one is visibility. If you can create these two, then customer can identify, customer can see you if the requirement is there. Okay, so then this is the one thing. The third one is called promotion. What is it something you do? Like you, how do you market? How do you reach your target audience? How do you reach that? Is some people, group of people actually in the tier 2 cities. One of my friend actually, Udayan, his customer is somewhere in the out of India. Actually, he's trying to reach. Okay, so to reach that kind of customers, what is it something you are doing? That is called promotion. This is called, there are 2 ways of promotion. One is organic, another one is inorganic. Organic is something where you put without spending a lot of money, where you reach customers and tell about this is what I am, this is what my business, this is what my visibility. Whereas inorganic is something you pay the money to reach to the customer. For example, Facebook campaigns, Google AdWords campaigns. All these are called inorganic promotions, where you reach outbound. What we call in the marketing terminology is called outbound. You reach exclusivity all the customers relevant to you, who can be your potential customers. Then you do the promotions. That is called inorganic promotions. There are 2 ways, organic and inorganic promotions. This is the third stage. So if you are doing identity, visibility, promotions, then the result is a lot of people come to you. The lot of people try to take the inquiries from you. Then what is it something you are doing? Let's say if 100 people inquired about you. 100 people might not be interested today, but they inquired because they have shown some interest. They can be a potential customers to the future. But are you keeping them with you? Are you nurturing them? Are you taking care of them? Are you handling their objections? Are you handling their queries? So if not, if you are unable to solve their queries now, are you able to solve their queries in the future? Are you retaining them in your database? That is called nurturing. This is the 4th stage of the digital marketing. So finally, the retention. How you are retaining existing customer. A lot of people might like your service, might not like your service. How do you handle that situation? How do you handle that reputation, online reputation? Maybe if some customer is not happy, how do you retain them? How do you retain them? That is the biggest challenge in this industry. So this is exactly the digital marketing. The retention is the 5th phase. There's a lot of people actually, they don't bother about nurture and retention, because once you get the lead or inquiry, we bother about if they are interested, we will take care. If they are not interested, we will not take care. But that is the wrong thing, wrong perception what people have. Nurture and retention are very important steps in the entire digital marketing. If you implement all these things, identity, visibility, promotion, nurture, retention, what you are doing for your business through digitally, there are various techniques. I cannot go all the techniques. How can there are plenty of ways to create identity, visibility, promotions, nurture, retention. There are plenty of ways. But in a nutshell, for your entire business, what is that you are doing? Are you following all these steps, 5 steps? Which step you are in there? If you are missing even one step, please add that step to your business network. So that next month, if you are implementing any one single step, maybe you can do better promotion. Maybe you can nurture better through digitally. Maybe you can ask me a question, how do you do the nurturing? There are plenty of tools. Plenty of tools. Retention, there are plenty of loyalty programs running. Visibility, there are plenty of way of keeping you visible in customers' mind. There are plenty of ways. Every month you can incorporate with the minimal budget at this point of time, you can add that. Without understanding all these 5 phases, without identifying your assets, without identifying what kind of properly the value of assets that you can build in the online. Okay, if you pour money on the digital marketing, you will not get the result. People think that you put the money on the digital marketing, you expect the lead. No. At this point of time, if you pour money for the digital marketing for the leads, nobody is interested to pay the money. Nobody is coming for you on this one. People should, you have to create an interest. You have to create a curiosity so that when the market opens up, people should come and watch. People should come and ask you. So at least you have to build that assets, that all digital assets during this phase. That's what I can tell you in this during 15 minutes. So if you ask me, all these are possible through digitally, and we help a lot of people on this phase, identifying a lot of people do not know like which stage they are. Without identity, they simply start promotions. Go, Ramesh, can you run Google AdWords? No. I will not take up any digital marketing project unless they identify the purpose of their business, why they are coming to the digitally. What is the purpose? Apparently, I tell that digital marketing is not needed at this point of view. So, but the moment you identify your assets can be converted digitally, can be marketed, can be made reach to your customers, then it makes sense. So this is nutshell what digital marketing I can talk about in a 15 minutes of 10 minutes of time. If you have any questions, you can call me or ask me anything right now. Hello, Sandeep, you're muted.